Let's talk VA financing. The VA loan is not just a zero down payment loan. That's really surface level. That's like saying a 5-liter Mustang is just a car. You're missing what's under the hood. The VA loan isn't just about putting zero down. It was designed to give veterans a real financial advantage, and when it's structured correctly, it can outperform conventional and FHA in ways that most people just don't fully understand. Yes, there is no monthly mortgage insurance premium. That alone can lower the payment compared to conventional and other loan types. But the deeper value isn't just the payment. It's how the VA looks at qualification. Most loan programs focus heavily on the debt to income ratio. They look at percentages, automated findings, and 100 other things. The VA looks at something called the residual income. In simple terms, they're looking at what's left over after all your bills are paid. So instead of just asking, can you technically qualify for a VA loan? Well, the VA will still give you room to breathe. That's protective, and that creates stability. And a strong, stable buyer makes strong, stable home purchases. The VA also does not set hard minimum credit scores the way that many people assume. Lenders may have overlays, but the program itself is there to look at the full financial picture and not just a single number. And when life happens, business loss, medical hardship, divorce, the VA often allows shorter recovery timelines after bankruptcy or foreclosure compared to other program financing. Not because it's a loss or a lose, but because it recognizes recovery. There's also a strategic layer most people overlook. VAs are one of the only assumable loans out there. So if someone locks in a great interest rate and rates rise later, that loan itself can become a selling advantage. So that's rare in today's mortgage world. There's also flexibility in how transactions are structured. VA allows the seller concessions beyond standard closing costs, which, when used correctly, can strengthen the borrower's long-term financial position, not just get them to the closing table. When you step back and you look at the entire picture, the VA loan, well, it's very generous. It's intelligent. No monthly mortgage insurance, check. Residual income protection, check. Flexibility after hardship, check. Potential resale advantages, check. And strong refinance options in the future. It's one of the most strategically powerful mortgage benefits available today, and it's often, very often misunderstood. If you're a veteran, you've earned this, so thank you. If you work with veterans, understanding it at a deeper level can completely change how you structure opportunities. If you found value in this, share it with somebody who needs it. And if you want to understand how this applies specifically to your situation, reach out to Tony G. That's me. I'm always happy to help and have that conversation. This is Tony G, teaching you the basics.